The search and recovery operations were called off upon the advice from health officials.
It had gone past the 14-day that had been set out for the ropes, and more so based on geotechnical assessments that to continue the search and rescue recovery had no utility because the bodies were actually, starting to decay. So we called off search and rescue last week Thursday. Now we're trying to secure the place to open up, start the process of restoration and rebuilding.
Over 100 bodies were recovered in the 2 days of the initial search and recovery operations. 11 bodies were recovered and laid to rest upon the closure of the search and recovery operations last week Thursday.
We estimate anywhere between 100 and 160 to be buried, but social mapping is still happening. The people in the community are really traumatized. Trying to get challenge with getting data has been a huge challenge because of the rural remoteness of the area. But we have done social mapping, talking to the survivors to find out who was actually in the impacted area when the disaster happened.
PA Sandis Tsaka said the landslide has affected 4 villages with a community of about 12,000.
It's a significant number. We've been given directions to evacuate a huge part of that community. So part of resettling, rehabilitating and relocating the people is a big exercise that we anticipate in the medium to long term. But immediate response with the support provided, we are able to provide immediate medical and relief supplies.
He added that about 150 meters of the main supply line into Pogera has been cut off.
That's affected communities in Pogera and Paela LLG. There's 4 LLGs behind the road slip. That's about 100,000 people. They've run out of fuel, they've run out of food. In the last 10 days with the assistance of the government.
The PA said food supplies are expected to run out by the end of this week, hence their priority is to open the road to Pogera this week. Fuel supplies are expected to go into Pogera today for Pogera Mine. Malinta Yopolo, National EMTV News.